Chris Johnson here from the Buffalo Magic Academy. If you're looking for something fun and productive for you kids to get involved with this summer, I've got something really cool to share with you. I'm offering an interactive online magic course. During this course, you kids will learn several really cool magic tricks with custom magic tricks shipped to them directly. And on top of that, they will also learn awesome life skills, things that can positively impact them from a social standpoint for the rest of their lives. During this time of social distancing, these skills are more valuable than ever. If this sounds good to you, I urge you to join me for a free, interactive, online, live magic workshop. The date and time is right here on this webpage. Now, the workshop is live, and it is free, but I do need you to register for it, because I can only accept a certain amount of people in each workshop. So go ahead and fill out the registration form on this webpage. I will instantly email you the URL where to go to for this workshop. I'll also send you a list of just a few small household items you need for the kids to be able to do these fun magic tricks during the workshop and after. So, I urge you now to fill out the contact form, and I'll see you at the WOW Magic Workshop. Until then, spread the fun, not the germs. I'm Chris Johnson. We'll see you soon.